Hello YouTube, my name is Donna. Today we're going to do a really quick pack opening. We got two types of sleeves. One with Chespin on it and one with Mega Hoopa, I think. I don't know the name yet. So, let's start with the pack. This is actually homemade by me. So, wow, I don't feel like opening it, but get a pair of scissors to make this easier to cut open. And you guys do not know yet what's in here. So, okay, let's start. Hopefully these are not upside down, but let's get started. Wait. Okay, so let's start. So we got this guy. I got this guy. I got this guy. I got a Giraffe to match with that Giraffe, which definitely gotta put in the back. Rattata. Porygon. No, Porygon. Just Porygon. Okay. Fletchin. I got a Whismur, a Reverse Unpheasant, and a Rare for the pack, which I'm going to put this in a sleeve, the Mega Hoopa, I think. Yep, we are going to do this! Okay, oh, this is not a code card, it's just like, go play and battle. Hopefully the camera. Yeah, I need more like lights to it. And our Rare, which is in bad condition, is, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I got it. Okay, that was just weird. I don't know what. That was just random. Anyways, we got Thundurus EX. Kind of bad condition, but I still love him. Like, he's just awesome. Yeah. Please subscribe and like this video. We're trying to get at least now, well, for right now, just for right now, guys, not like for real, at least 20 subscribers right now, and then I'll try to get 1,000, and then try to get more. So here are my favorite cards I got in this pack. Of course, we're also starting with Thundurus EX, Unpheasant, and this Giraffe to go in the back, which I'm probably going to keep there in the back for, you know, I want to put it in my collection. Well, oh yeah, I also have a new binder, which I'm going to film a video on that. Look at this. This is actually the real setup right now. Pretty messy, but trying to get this place a little more better. But let me show you the cards that we got in the pack. So yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye.